Everyone, welcome to the DP series of videos. So today we'll discuss one DP problem, that is 1035 complete code, uncrossed lines. So the problem statement is saying you will be given with two input array. Here the example is 142 and 124. You have to place them each another tops. Okay, so 142 will be top and 124 will be below, or anything. Like you can take nums2 also in the top and num1 also in the below. Then you have to draw a line between the numbers. What is the condition? If you find any matching number in the other line, then you can draw a line between them. So here if you see 1 and 1 is matching, that's why one line is drawn here. Here 4 and 4 is matching, so one line is drawn here. Another condition is no line should cross each other. And in that way, you have to find like how many max line you can draw. So here if you take this example, you can't draw a line like this. Though it's a matching, but if you see, you have already drawn a line between 4 and 4. So if you draw a line between 2 and 2 now, they are crossing each other in this point. So this is not allowed. You can do one thing, either of them you can take. Maybe 1 and 1 you took, then 2 and 2 you can took. That time no one is crossing each other. That is valid. But no one should cross each other. So here if you take another example, here the first is 25125. If I draw here, another one is 1052 if we draw here. So how many possible lines we can draw without crossing each other? So one thing we can do is we can match this 2 with 2. Then 5 I can't match with this 5 because that time it will cross. So another thing is from 1 to 1 we can do. No one is crossing. Then 2 to 2 we can do. Yeah. So maximum 3 possible line I can draw without crossing each other. So if I take another color here, I can show you. So another possibility was 5 to 5 we can maybe or 5 to 5 we can have done. But they are crossing in this point. This point and this point they are crossing. So these lines are not possible. So you have to draw lines with matching numbers and they should not cross each other. And you have to find how many maximum line you can draw. Now before going to the solution of this problem, if you look at this problem, this 1143, that is the longest common subsequence problem, then you will notice both the problem is actually same, only the wording is actually changed. If you look at here, instead of one array they have given one string. First string is abcde and another string is ace, and then they are telling a subsequence of string is a new string generated from the original string, which some characters can be deleted without changing the relative order of the remaining character. So here if you take this string and another string, then the desired answer they want from here is, so you have to check like how many sequences are matching here and their order is following. So A and A is matching here, and C and C is matching here, and E and E is matching here. So three common sequences there, and they are not changing its position like relative position. Instead of E and E, you can take D and D also, right? But together you can take, because D and E is swapped here, E and D. So either you can take D and this D, or this E and this E, right? Together you can take. So what I was telling is, so instead of E and E, you can take this also as a sequence. But both the cases the length will be 3 only. So instead of that array, you have to just take the like text in this case. So both the problem is same. I have already explained about this problem in this video 1143 longest common subsequence. Exact same solution we will use here. Instead of text, we will just take the number field. So here I have pasted the longest common subsequence problem solution. Okay, the same method. So from this method, I will just call that one longest common subsequence. But instead of string, I will pass the array. So we are expecting array also here. So I will do some changes here and this problem will also work. Now nums it will be instead of text, and it will be nums2, and it will be length without bracket in Java, and this character array is no more required here, and dpr everything will form, and in case of the character array it will be numbers array, and I think we are good to go. If we submit this solution, it is working, right? So now we can do one thing. Maybe the whole solution only we can paste there, and we can remove this. Okay, and if we run now, it is working. Thanks for watching.